When stone floors begin to look dull and worn down, bring them back to life with one-step Crystallizer Spray and Buff. This simple-to-use restoration method produces a chemical reaction-induced deep natural gloss on marble, terrazzo, and polished limestone surfaces without the artificial look a coating may produce. Floors crystallized with one step will resist scuffs and scratches with increased durability while still allowing the surface to breathe naturally. And one-step Crystallizer Spray and Buff dries as you buff, which means no messy and time-consuming cleanup. Brilliant stone floors in just one step.